An activist turned politician Arvind Kejriwal today denied that financial donations to the 2011 massive anti-corruption campaign fronted by Anna Hazare have been spent on his party on its campaign for the Delhi election. If he is found guilty, Mr. Kejriwal says he will not contest the election which will be held on the 4th of December.
अब हमको और कोई फंड्स की जरूरत नहीं है और
हजारे जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। मैं रानीगंज सीट से आ रहा हूँ, इन लोगों ने आज नगर इस्तेमाल किया हुआ है, मेरा मुझे कहता है यस यस।
Dramatic scenes at the latest press conference by the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, where a man interrupted proceedings protesting against party chief Arvind Kejriwal for allegedly misusing social activist Anna Hazare's name during AAP's campaigns in Delhi. The man claimed he's from the BJP, though party leaders distanced themselves.
They have used Anna, a rural man. Anna is my guru. I am working for BJP and I am proud for that. I am hailing from the same tehsil as father of Anna Hazare.
वो बीजेपी का कार्यकर्ता नहीं था। अगर बीजेपी का कार्यकर्ता होता तो अन्ना हजारे जिंदाबाद का नारा नहीं लगाता, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी का नारा लगाता।
The press conference settled down a few minutes later but moved on to another controversy, the fresh war of words between Kejriwal and his former guru Anna Hazare. Hazare, who had parted ways with Kejriwal over his decision to start a political party, had written to Kejriwal asking whether Hazare's name and image were used during AAP campaigns. Anna Hazare, in his letter to Kejriwal, says, "I don't know what happened to the money collected at Ramlila Maidan and Jantar Mantar. I request you not to use my name. Neither publicize that I have anything to do with any party." Kejriwal wrote back to Anna saying he was upset by his doubts. Kejriwal said that neither had Anna's name been used while campaigning nor had the Jan Andolan funds been used for political purposes.
सार्वजनिक होनी चाहिए जांच, सबके सामने होनी चाहिए और उसके लिए वो जस्टिस संतोष हेगड़े या ऐसे किसी भी अन्य जज जिनके ऊपर उन्हें भरोसा है उनको नियुक्त कर दें। 1 हफ्ते में जांच पूरी हो जाए और अगर जांच में मेरे खिलाफ कुछ भी पाया जाता है तो मैं दिल्ली विधानसभा में चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा।
A dramatic twist at a press conference which had been called by Arvind Kejriwal in order to make his reply to Anna Hazare public immediately. But will this latest war of words between Kejriwal and the social activist act as a dampener for the AAP campaign with just a few days to go for the Delhi elections? In New Delhi, this is Tanima Biswas for NDTV.